Ever wondered what differentiates a good leader from a great one? Could the secret lie in the art of persuasion? The ability to persuade is not just about convincing others, but about understanding and leveraging human psychology. A key to mastering this craft lies in the work of Robert Cialdini, who identified 6 principles of persuasion. Each principle, when applied strategically, can transform a good leader into a great one. So, let's dive into the world of Cialdini's principles and uncover the secrets of persuasive leadership. First off, we come across the principle of reciprocity. Simply put, this is the human instinct to return a favor. Think of a leader who freely gives their time, energy, or resources to their team. This act of generosity naturally creates an environment where team members feel inspired to reciprocate, dedicating their own efforts and commitment. A case in point is a manager who stays late to help a team member, only to see that team member put in extra hours later. Remember, as a leader, what you give is often what you get. Moving on, the principle of commitment and consistency takes the stage. This principle is all about walking the talk. Leaders who embody this principle are not only vocal about their goals, but they're also unwavering in their pursuit. Picture a captain navigating stormy seas, never straying from the charted course, steadfast in reaching the destination. This kind of commitment and consistency instills confidence, sets a powerful example, and inspires the team to mirror such dedication. A consistent leader is a reliable leader. Next up, we have the principle of social proof. Imagine a team leader showcasing the accomplishments of the entire team. This not only celebrates the group's success, but also encourages individual members to strive harder. By highlighting team achievements, leaders can motivate individuals, instilling in them a desire to contribute more to the collective effort. The influence of the group thus becomes a driving force for individual performance. Remember, in leadership, the power of the collective can drive individual success. Now let's discuss the principle of authority. Authority isn't about wielding power, it's about showcasing expertise and competence. Consider a seasoned captain steering a ship through a storm. The crew doesn't follow because they fear him, but because they trust his knowledge and skills. Similarly, a leader gains authority by demonstrating their proficiency and understanding in their field. This command of respect, born out of trust and admiration, is more effective than any rule enforced by fear. Authority in leadership comes from respect, not fear. The 5th principle in our list is liking. Being a leader isn't merely about giving orders, it's about fostering relationships. Imagine a captain who doesn't just command his crew, but also spends time understanding their strengths, their dreams, their fears. This rapport makes him more likable, and in turn his crew is more inclined to follow his lead. It's not just about being liked, it's about understanding, respecting, and connecting with your team. Leadership is not just about leading, it's about connecting. Lastly, we have the principle of scarcity. This principle plays on the human instinct to want what's limited or hard to come by. For leaders, scarcity can be a powerful tool to create urgency and drive action. Imagine a leader who sets limited time goals for their team. This approach promotes a sense of urgency, encouraging the team to work harder and faster to achieve those goals. This is the power of scarcity in leadership. In leadership, a sense of urgency can spark action. So, what do these principles tell us about effective leadership? They show us that leadership is not just about power, but about the ability to influence and persuade. Reciprocity fosters a culture of give and take. Commitment and consistency build trust. Social proof validates our choices. Authority provides a sense of security, while liking creates bonds. Scarcity, on the other hand, drives action. To be a great leader, one must master the art of persuasion. And with Cialdini's principles, this mastery is within your reach.